Revit tips and tricks. Try and use shortcuts as often as you can to increase productivity and speed. Personally, I don't use shortcuts when I'm teaching, as learners don't see what I'm typing, so I try to use a ribbon more. Anytime that you hover over a command, you'll see its shortcut, so we could just type in WA for wall, but there are some awesome commands that we don't even know exist. If we go to modify, here the create palette, if I click an element, this pops up, create similar, and here's how it works. So if I head to the first floor, in this case, and I'd like to edit this space and add a new wall in. If you have a model that's got multiple wall styles, multiple window styles and door styles, etc., and you want to add a new wall using one of the styles that are already modelled, or a new window, even a door or a room, this works with any element already in the model. So here I would like to add a wall across here. Let's see how this works. If I click this wall, we can see this command pops up, which is called create similar. Selecting it means that I'm now modelling using that style of wall. Let's take that away and try again using the shortcut CS. So we need to select the element and type CS, and now we're modelling using that wall style. So if I pick this wall up, yep, we could just drag that across, but I want to practice using this command, so I'll select the wall and type CS. Now I'm drawing using that wall style. And as I said, same thing works with multiple elements. So if I pick this room and type CS, it's now activated the room command, and we can place rooms. So I'd also like to add a window here. So let's choose this window, and if I want to add another window here using that style, I can type CS, and that window populates into the model. Try it yourself.